Hi guys, today we're going to read A Dog's Life by Caroline Sherman. This is a really silly book. Everyone thinks that dogs have it easy, but I work from morning till night. As soon as I get up, I make sure that nobody oversleeps. Ruff, ruff. Then I go outside to tidy the yard. Splash! I sweep the floor. Swish, swish! I answer every doorbell and make the guests feel welcome. Woof, woof! I always fetch the ball that the humans like to throw. Got it! I wash dishes. Slurp, slurp. I guard the house and chase away invaders. Grrr, growl. I inspect the trash for anything I can recycle. Munch, munch. I keep the humans warm since they don't have any fur. Zzz. And at night, I sing lullabies until everyone is asleep. Arrrrrrr. I don't know how they would manage without me. The end. Hope you enjoyed it.